Hello everyone, my name is Candra Dwi and I'm here to give you guys some tips how to speak British. First of all, you guys need to learn some of this alphabet because this alphabet is differentiate between British accent and American accent. The first alphabet is gonna be the R. So American people say R, isn't it? But us Brits tend to say the R with R. So we stretches the vowel, the A vowel. Here I'm gonna give you guys some examples how to pronounce the R. So there's these two pictures, isn't it? The left one and the right one. So the left one we already know it is a cat. So you just have to pronounce the A vowel very short. You pronounce it cat, not Kate. And there's this right picture. It is pronounced as cart. Cart. So you have to stretch the vowel and you don't have to pronounce the R. So the next alphabet is gonna be the T alphabet. American people sometimes they pronounce the T with the, isn't it? Like butter or better, like that. But us Brits, we pronounce the T. We don't change it to D. Here I'm giving you guys some examples again. Two pictures, left and right. The left one, it is pronounced as butter, butter. But American people, they pronounce it as butter, butter. And the right pictures, it is pronounced as bottle, bottle. But American people, they say bottle, bottle. That's it from me. If you want to sound more British, you can also use some slang, like if you want to say apartment, you can say flat. If you want to say cookies, you can say it with biscuit. So yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.